Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we got a good one for you guys. So we're gonna show you today how to mine ATC. Yes guys, Ethereum Classic. We're gonna go after that one today, and this is the how to do other video on my channel. Okay guys, so this is the thing. We're gonna go simple, faster this time. I'm trying to keep in the video short I can, and we're gonna go into this right now. All right, first of all we're gonna find one miner we're gonna be using it. Like on my last video, we're gonna use an MB miner. I'm gonna put on the description. I'm gonna put where you guys can get it download or get it done or get it from the internet. So first of all, we go to our miners. We did that last time. MB. Now we got. Remember, we got all these. We already did that on the last video. So if you wanna get down on MB miner. So we're gonna go over here and we just put MB miner download. First one is gonna come out is MB miner app, and it's gonna be different ones over here. Now we're looking for this right here. See right here? Let's really GitHub. So MB miner is always on GitHub, so that's why I'm using this one because this is the more trustable one. We know we're not gonna have any bug or anything on the system. You guys know also we gotta go all with first to the antivirus. Like I said in my previous video, go to antivirus first, then we go click on it, then we go to the management setting on antivirus, and we go all the way over here where it says add remove exclusion. And I already got all mine, but we just go right here to exclusion, and we're gonna select the folder. Well, it's gonna be the download folder. So we just go like right here, we click on that, and we click on select folder, and that's it. Also, you will create a second folder over here on your desktop. You guys see this one? I call it miner one. So and then we're gonna go add that one too, because that's what the program is gonna. That's what we're gonna host all programs. So we go over here, we do the same thing, we go to folder, and then we go to the desktop like I normally we do. We're looking for folders right here, we click on it and we click select, and we're good to go. Just in case nobody had done that before, that's how you don't have to disable your antivirus to download the program. That's how you're doing it. So you don't have to disable, so you don't leave your computer with auto protection. Alright, so with further ado, we're just gonna go to what we gotta do, and we go over here. Let's go reopen all these. We go to our miner files, what we got our miner program in there, and that's called right. That's gonna be after we decompress the program. Normally what you gotta do is after you download your program, you go to download. Already got it right here, and what you're gonna do is you just click second click. If you're on Windows, you only need this option right here. If you got 7-zip, I use 7-zip or WinRAR or zip, any one of those you're using it, up to you. But if you don't have none of this stuff and you just started, you need something how to extract the program, you go right here. First, click. You do a second click, and then you go over here, extract all, and then right here, it's gonna tell you where you want the destination of the program. Then we go right here. We're gonna go to we're going to desktop, right, and we got a program right here. This is the exclusion folder we just did with the antivirus. So we're gonna put this right there, and we just click select folder, and then we just click extract, and the program is gonna be over there, located over there. Then after all that is done, you just close finish, then you close everything right here, and then you look in your folder, then you click on your folder. Now you go to the miner, then you go to you're gonna see this right here. If I was extract the program, it will be over here. This name over here is gonna be, it was on the opposite side. So now we just go over here to MB miner, and we just open it. Now MB miner already got everything pressed set up for you. You don't need to go all over the place and looking for stuff. So for example, we got a few things over here already, and what we do is we just click over here. We do a second click, and we're gonna edit this. The reason is after I'm gonna show you in a second why we had to do this, and we go to edit the program. If you are on the last version of Windows, you won't have this, okay? But because I now update yet this window to the last version and I'm not planning to do it, we just go over here and we just click running anywhere, and we're gonna have all this right here. Now I can see it, we got this right there. Only thing we need to change over here, if you interested to do sorry, if you need to interested to do a different pool, you can go ahead and change the pool if you know how to change it. When I do a separate video how to change the pool on this separate later on, but right now we just leaving everything as is. And what we're gonna change it is this right here only. This right before the point, this point right there, that's the only numbers we're gonna change it. We're gonna change it for a wallet. Now I would recommend you guys to get the Ethereum wallet or the Zelcore wallet. For the Ethereum one, it's super easy. You just go right here, you just gotta click on the right here Ethereum wallet, and it's gonna come out. So then you just gotta look for this one. It's gonna say Ethereum wallet download. You just click on it and it's gonna take you to this page over here. From that page, what you're gonna do, you're gonna see all this, one for the desktop, one for the mobile. You can keep it anywhere you want it. You wanna keep it on your mobile phone, you can do that, or you can keep it on your desktop. You wanna keep it on your desktop, that's up to you. Now what we're gonna do over here is we just go to download, and you got different options. You got the option for the regular Linux. You got for the other Linux different. It's gonna be two different Linux ones. So then you got the Mac, and then you got the Windows. If you're on Windows, you do the Windows. If you're on Mac, you do the Mac. If you're on Linux, you do the Linux. If you're doing Linux, so you don't need to be seeing this video because you already know what to do with the rest of the video. You're on Windows, you just click on this, click on that one, and it's gonna just download. This one already downloaded, and you go right there, and automatically it's gonna get it downloaded. You just click on open it. As soon as you click on open it, let's see, just waiting, sorry for that. It's gonna tell you installing the Ethereum wallet. So just gonna wait for a second and we're gonna see. Already told me it's already been installing on my desktop. As soon as you open it, it's gonna do the installation. It's gonna tell you the Ethereum wallet is already installed on your system. And the next thing you just gotta do is we're gonna minimize this, and we're gonna minimize this one right here also. And what you gotta do is you just look for your Ethereum wallet right here, where it's gonna be this. And what you gotta do is just double click, and you just wait for opening. Alright, it's ready opening. Now etc, I already have etc is not over here. Let me see if I can delete it, and we can just you just can look like I cannot remove it from my session. So what you gotta do is right here, you see all this red, there's gonna be all your coin. Let's make this bigger, and we're gonna do, we just click over here, and we're just gonna scroll all the way to the end and say add more. Looking for this one, click add more, and you're gonna be moved to this menu. And what you're gonna do, you put ETC, and it's gonna show over there. I already got it on mine, so you're just gonna click in it, and it's gonna take you, click in it, it's gonna take you and be adding up to your, or be adding up to your wallet. Now what we need from right here is the receiving. That's how we're gonna receive the ATC. We're gonna get paid from the pool. Just click in it, and we got this beautiful address right here. You click over here and copy. It's already copied to the clipboard. I'll do this twice to make it sure. Then we're just gonna go back over here to the file that we're just gonna edit. You remember we select only all the way right before the point. That's what we're gonna change it. So we just click on that, click second click, and gonna press paste, and it's being ready changing to the new address. Now we're gonna go over here, files, and we're gonna save. That's all we need to do. Now if you wanna save it under the different name, you just can go do this, save, and right here you're gonna add point BAT. And right here you can change it. You can do this. Let's do it like this. You can delete everything, and let's see. You want something? Well, let's go Éxodo etc. So we already know it's gonna go to the Éxodo wallet. So we just put dash BAT and we hit enter, and we just save the file. So we just set the file into a new one. We close this right here, and we minimize this. That's all we need. Next thing we need to do is just launch the program, and everything is just that simple. I'm trying to keep it as simple possible for everybody. That's why I'm not changing the pool. But like you just looking now, you got all this, and you'll be like, okay, where we put the one we just did? We just looking for that one. I think I just saved it in the wrong location. Okay, right here. You guys see it right here? Say Éxodo etc. We just double click on this, and we just let the program run. And just like this, I got a 37 Ti and a 1650 and a 1050 just for the purpose of the video. So that's what I'm using. This one. This is all my TechBench PC. That's what we're gonna be using it to doing this different coin and stuff like that. Now, if you wanna see how much, if you are mining and what pool you are, you just go right here, and we're gonna look to that pool. How I can find my pool? Oh, okay. We just open this one. This is how you can monitor to them. I forgot to tell you this. On my last video is NB Miners got a system where you just click over here web monitor, and with this you'll be able to get this screen right here. What it's gonna tell you is how many shares we got in, what we are, the address, and what is the pool we are. So we are on B pool. This is the pool we just doing it. So we just gonna go to them. I'm just gonna copy this one right here, and we just go right here, click on this. Oh, my bad. All right, look like it didn't work. Okay, it's B pool. Alright, we in B pool. It's a Chinese pool, so it's just mining over there for the purpose of the video. The pool automatic is two things. It's gonna change it back to you can change it back. You can change it back to English. It's already done that automatic. What we're gonna do over here is say view right here. We're just gonna introduce the address we copy already. We're gonna paste it over here, and we're gonna click view. Okay, another record was found about the wallet. So that means the still or wallet still not registered yet to the pool. So we're going back to the mine over here, and we are connecting to the pool, but we're waiting to see if we can get any hashing or anything, any asset share. So we're just waiting. See if we got the first one. I'm not doing any overclock, to be clear to everyone. And okay, so we got first share access. So that means we are connecting, and we just click it right here in view. Still not connecting. That's probably gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes until you can connect your wallet to the pool. So just making sure you just wait for a little bit, and then you will see it. And if I go over here to the minus, we already got one. Also, it's gonna tell anyone else what is the temperature and everything of what we're doing on the mining. And yeah, that's simple it is. That's not difficult to start mining any direct coin. I'm just trying to show you guys how simple it is and how you guys can use it. You can still use the same pool. It's coming on the hardware. you'll be getting paid straight to your wallet all the time. No matter what wallet you're using it. Just to start, and then you can start doing research. Like you can start looking for different pools, you can start looking for different stuff. And guys, thank you for watching, and I'll be see you in the next one. Peace out.